Hi, I'm Scott the Miniature Maniac, and this is my Kickstarter announcement video. What up, mini family? After years of work, I can finally say that my campaign is ready. I have two types of products that I'm featuring in this Kickstarter. First, I created a metal brush box called the Brush Coffin, designed to be a high quality case for you to store and travel with your brushes. The exterior is fully metal with two high density foam trays inside that can fit 12 or more brushes snugly. No company approached me with this design pre-made to stamp my logo on. I worked with manufacturers to create it from the ground up for you, the mini painter. Because I'm working with normal manufacturers, they have normal expectations, like me ordering 5,000 of these boxes, which is why I'm running a Kickstarter campaign. Unsurprisingly, no matter how many couch nickels I find, I can't afford to buy all of these boxes. The other kind of product is, of course, miniatures. But we're talking wood elves this time, not vampires. But not just any wood elves, evil ones. These guys were kicked out of the nice part of the forest after committing some unforgivable crimes, like encasing their kin inside a living sarcophagus in protest of their hubris. Ho there, Scott. Calm down on the lore there, bud. I thought making one model was easy when I made the Duchess, so I figured, why not do 3 more minis? Spoilers, it wasn't easy. I'm stupid. Each one of these figures are 75mm, but there may or may not be several 32mm size stretch goals on the horizon for my fellow miniature wargamers and role players. I'm super happy with the casting quality on these models. Very crispy. We have the Ranger, a tried and true wood elf sickened by how shamelessly his kin reshaped the forest for their home. Beside him is the Warrior, who only ever feels alive in the swirl of combat and has some grosser tendencies. Lastly, the leader amongst the three, the Witch. She's power hungry, corrupt, and just what the other 2 elves need to make some bad decisions. Each miniature also has a masterclass video course associated with it, just like I had for the Duchess, except for this time, 2 of the models aren't painted by me. Benjamin Cantor crushed the box art for the Witch, and his masterclass focuses on tearing down everything you know about light and shadow and color theory and building it back up stronger. Seriously, I learned a lot from this course simply editing his script. Next, we have John, who painted the box art for the Warrior. His course focuses on how to approach painting larger scales for someone newer to 75mm. Lastly, I painted the Ranger, and my course focuses on giving you a decision-making framework when painting any miniature. This course will teach you how you can approach your own figures with confidence while not having every single little detail planned out. There are more exciting stretch goals still yet to discover, and other add-ons like lovely wooden plinths fit for your wood elf dioramas. I'm really proud of all the work that went into this Kickstarter, and I hope you are too. The links for the campaign can be found in the description of this video, and if you happen to stumble upon this video after the campaign is already over, you can likely still find the Pledge Manager link down below and get in on the action if you want to. Thank you for your continued support of what I do here on YouTube, and for your patience when I get in over my head. I tend to bite off more than I can chew. Head over to the Kickstarter and see if it's a good fit for you. Subscribe or die! And most importantly, don't forget to